Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this 1/64th scale Nissan GT-R Nismo R35 from TomyTec. This model belongs to the Tomica Limited Vintage Neo series or TLVN, and it has a different style of packaging which looks really nice. They have also included a card here which gives information regarding the technical specifications of the car. So let's take a look at the car now, which is well protected in this blister. The car looks really nice, and you can see that it is really well detailed. The front bumper and the headlights look really nice, and there's the GT-R logo on the grille. The wheels are really well detailed, and you can see the brake disc and caliper behind the wheel. Both the front and rear wheels roll freely. You can also see that there's a red pinstripe on the side skirt, which actually starts from the front bumper and ends at the rear. The back is really well detailed, and the logos here are decals. There's blue heat staining on the exhaust tips. The rear wing looks really nice. There's also a carbon fiber roof. Now moving on to the interior, the dashboard is not really well detailed but still looks good. The steering wheel looks really nice, and you can see the AC vents and the infotainment system from here. The seats are dual tone with a red and black combination, which looks really nice. And this is the passenger side of the car. The top of the dashboard is well detailed. And this is how the rear seats look like. There's silver paint on the rear view mirror which does not reflect but still looks good. The wipers are not separate and are molded in with the windshield. This is the underside of the car, and as you can see, most of it is covered. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.